Welcome to our What's New in SOLIDWORKS 2019 series. I'm David and I'll take you through SOLIDWORKS Composer. SOLIDWORKS Composer 2019 not only has modernised icons for enhanced visibility, but the command search has been added in the ribbon to make it easier to find and run a command. This is especially helpful for new commands like select adjacent parts to include neighbouring parts in our selection. We can run select adjacent multiple times in a row to get additional actors of interest, and the updated status bar gives us instant feedback on our selection. To recall a previous selection, we can use selection sets, but digging through too many selection sets can be costly. With 2019, however, we can further organise selection sets and hotspots by creating groups. Views can now be locked to prevent them from changing accidentally. When this is done, an icon is shown on the thumbnail. Also, the indicator for custom views is now an icon in the bottom right hand corner. Finalising our next view, we are looking for a dimension that has already been created, so we need to find it. We've been able to search for geometry actors before, but now, in 2019, we can search collaborative actors as well. After finding the dimension of interest, we can apply some of the new options to hide red lines, construction lines and planes to simplify the display of our technical information. Arrows in Composer have always been a powerful authoring tool. What if we want them to be the same size on paper when we publish our views? 2019 introduces a new fixed size arrow option to enable arrows to always have the same size on paper, regardless of the camera height or field of view. SOLIDWORKS Composer is not only fantastic for creating 2D static and interactive images, we can publish high quality animations as well. The library workshop greatly reduces the number of clicks when creating standard highlight and assembly steps. This workshop also sees some great improvements by giving us more flexibility when working with animation blocks. For example, we want to turn off the colour for these highlight sequences. We can do so by selecting the animation block and changing the colour to the new undefined option. Previously, we would have had to delete and recreate the animation, but now, in 2019, all we need to do is click Update Motion. Additionally, context menu options have been added to make it easier to manage these blocks and the empty space between them. Wrapping up this project, we can check it into PDM, which is now integrated in the SOLIDWORKS Composer user interface. When it's time to create new or reuse legacy projects, SOLIDWORKS Composer 2019 now recalls the last file format when opening documents. Custom import profiles are now supported, so that your import settings are right the first time. Note that the Import PMI option now supports SOLIDWORKS MBD information. Also new in import, in addition to bills and materials support from 2018, we can now exclude envelopes from SOLIDWORKS assemblies if they're not desired. With expanded purpose-built authoring tools and integration with best-in-class PDM and CAD, SOLIDWORKS Composer 2019 is the clear choice to reuse your CAD data to create top-quality technical illustrations and animations. In summary, we've seen 2019 give us a refreshed user interface, new lock view options to prevent updates, animation enhancements, new measurement and arrow properties, custom import profiles, import PMI and envelopes, and SOLIDWORKS PDM integration.